Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Harmony One price update, and the current price for Harmony One is at the $0.17 mark. So what I have on the screen is the daily chart, and from this daily chart I want to give you my key expectations that I expect to see on this chart. You can see that in this massive ABC correction that is over here, this ABC correction took us to this low that we made on the $0.16 mark, and from there we started having higher prices in this breakout that we had over here, which took us to around the $0.24 mark. And once we reached that level, there's this resistance that we had over here, so we were unable to break above it, and we had pull back to the lower side. So you can see here we reached to this zone that we have over here, then from there we had a pullback to the lower side, and you can see we have started unlocking even lower prices for Harmony One. We are currently standing on the $0.17 mark, very close to the support that we have on the $0.16 mark. And my key expectations are that we are going to continue seeing lower prices for Harmony One in this massive ABC correction until we reach the $0.13 mark, which is my target level over here. And once we reach that zone, then we can start having higher prices. So my key expectations are that we will continue having lower prices and reach this support that I have over here on the 0.15, break below it, and go to the $0.13 mark. Now this is where we find support, and once we find support over here, I think that ABC move will have done whatever it needed to do. So then we can now start seeing higher prices in the next waves that follow over here. So whatever I see on the other side should take us to an all-time high. So according to my opinion is that for us to make it to an all-time high for Harmony One, we first need to reach the $0.13 mark. Before that happens, I don't think we have the enough build up to take us to an all-time high. The other key scenario is that maybe we can continue having lower prices and reach the $0.16 mark. And once that happens over here, once we reach that zone, it can still give us support, basing on the fact that in the recent past it also gave us support over here, and also a couple of times another one over here. So it can still give us support, and once we have that support on the $0.15 mark, we can then have a bounce back to the upper side and break above this resistance that we have on the 0.2623. Then we can try and battle the one that we have on the 0.26, and if we manage above it, then we can have a retest of that zone. And once we have a retest, we can unlock even higher prices for Harmony One. So those are my key expectations. Also make sure that also note that I think for me Harmony One has not yet decoupled with BTC. The moves that we are seeing on BTC are almost the same things that we are seeing on the Harmony One chart. If we continue seeing another more sell-offs on BTC chart, the same thing I expect it to happen on this chart. We have a sell-off for Harmony One. So the key scenario for us reaching the $0.13 mark is very possible if we have another sell-off for BTC. So let's be patient and see how the market plays out. And whatever I've said is not financial advice, so don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis.